Hello, my name is Laxon. I'm your dev instructor. Welcome to this short lesson on how to create your first Flutter mobile application. In this tutorial, we'll be creating a simple default Flutter mobile app using the command Flutter create and the name of the application. So before we begin, you will need your Flutter environment set up. If it's not, please watch the previous lesson uh, watch the previous lesson that talks about how to install Flutter on your machine. So now that we have that out of the way, we can start with today's lesson. Okay, that was my internet. So first things first, we have to select where we want to store our app. So just go here, it's saying open folder. So I'm already like in the directory that I want to store my app, which I want to store it here where it's POP projects. I'm sure you guys you can store it anywhere you want. So after that, selected the folder. So what the next thing the next thing is we have to open in terminal. Okay, now that our terminal is up and running, so what we can do is we're supposed to enter Flutter create, then the name of application. So we're gonna name this one demo app. I don't even know why I want to name it demo app, but yeah, it's demo app. So we just hit enter and we wait for it to create everything for us. Okay, now it's done. So we can just seed into the directory. So it's demo app. You can clear the screen. Okay, so from here I can even expand this folder so that everything here, don't worry, I'll explain it in the next video. For now, I just want you guys to concentrate on this folder that's called lib. So in here, this is where you'll be putting all your .dat files. Whatever that file that you'll be creating, this is where your files will be. So for now, we only have one. So this is the .dat file. It's called main. So this is the main file. This is the main file that starts the application. And this is where the main function is. This is the main function, as you can see here. So now for us to run this application, this Flutter demo application, what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to start an emulator that will show us the application, or something that we'll be using for us to see what we are doing. So we have to start an Android emulator. So from here, we're going to go where it's saying Windows. Some of you guys, I'm sure it'll be showing Chrome or something. So you can click here, then you select the emulator that you created in the previous video. In this video, I'm going to use this emulator because it boots fast and I don't want to waste much of your time. So let's wait for the emulator to start. So I'm going to minimize this so that we can have both windows on the screen. We can have our VS Code window and we can also have our emulator by the side here. So you guys can see my screen is small. So yeah. So let's just wait for the emulator to start. Okay, now that our emulator is up and running, so what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to run this. You can use this here, that's showing here, or you can use up there where you're saying run or start, but we're gonna just click it from here. Just gonna use this one because it's near. So we wait for the for Flutter to generate an APK and install it on our emulator. So let's just wait. Okay, now that our app is running, let's test it. So what this app is all about is it's a counter app. So whenever you, I would say, click or press this button, the plus button, it will increment the value here where it's showing 0. So you have pushed the buttons this many times, as you can see here. So it will tell you how many times you have pushed this button here. So if I do this, okay, it will increment to 1. If I press it again, it will increment to 2. If I press it again, it will increment to 3. Just like that, it will continue doing that. So it's a simple application, and this application was created only using this code here, as you can see here, this file. So with big applications, of course, you're going to create more dat files, of which I'm going to, along this lesson, you guys are going to learn how to do that, how to create beautiful applications. But for today, or in this lesson, you have learned how to create a simple Flutter mobile application. Congratulations, and you can test this on your machine. If you're receiving any errors, don't hesitate. You can just contact us. You can contact the instructors. You can contact me, myself, Laxon. You can contact Alan, or you can contact Joseph. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.